Hello, hey, it's me again, Mr. Capello. Italian cooking with Mr. Capello. We're doing breakfast today, hey? Yes, remember I told you we were doing the potatoes. Now we're working Italian sausage. My wife, she now can stand plain, too caliente, no hot. So we use a mild Italian sausage. So here you have the sausage. It's cooking. Yes, see, you can hear it. And then of course our potatoes are looking really good. So we're on step 2. We're making sausage breakfast. And I'm going to get my wife to take over here so she can see how to do this. You got it? Thank you. You don't want to dump that into the frying pan. It would be bad if we cook up our camera, eh? My signature laugh. Is good? No? No. Anyway, we have to make a sausage. It's smelling good now. See? So I have a camera person. She's a good camera person, as you will see. As long as our videos do not come out sideways, it'll be good. So, how's that look? You would not believe that that was 3 sausage links, maybe 2 minutes ago. That doesn't look too good. It's not brown like we like it. But I have to flip it over, otherwise it doesn't get fully cooked on both sides. Like that. That's not good. Don't get burned. It'll burn you, and then I'll never hear the end of it. Ow! I get burned myself. Hot. It's greasy. That's Italiano, huh? We like our grease. Wonder if we are all from Greece instead of Italy. Now, why are you asking why am I chopping it up? Well, because I'm going to scramble this into the egg. Maybe, if I get it chopped up. And with this coronavirus going around, you want to wash your hands all the time. You would do that anyways when you're cooking. You don't want to have gross hands, sticking your nose or sticking your feet or whatever. Touching kitty cats, touching pigs. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm crazy. Cucasta, right? Should have named my video Cooking with the Crazy Italian. But I didn't. So back to potatoes while that cooks. Or patates. That, by the way, is on medium heat. It's on low heat. Oh yeah. See, now you have the brown potato, hash brown, stuck to the bottom of my pan. Why? I don't know. Olive oil not work? Maybe butter works better? Everything's better with butter, they say. I know, because I added some. Now it doesn't look like too much potatoes. I hope we have enough for everyone. Me, and the Italiani. Okay, it looks like it will be like maybe 3 videos. The eggs we'll make, and we'll mix it all together in this pan. And that's it. We will go into my holder over here. But right now, okay, you want to try some? I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the camera. We're going to add the cheddar cheese now. And hopefully not set off the fire alarm. That would not be good. See? Medium cheddar. What did you? You're saying or Always good to have inside your kitchen when you're lazy and you don't feel like fighting with it. It's not the resealable, right? No. So we cut the top off. This is the trash. The basura, however you say it in Italian. I'll learn that word next. This place is loaded with that. Okay. And we pull back the plastic. You think that's enough for that? Okay. We use the same shredder. I washed it off. And we're going to shred the cheese. Okay. It's looking good. Making it full race car. No, not race car. It's breakfast. Anyways, how do you people like my video so far? I have not seen no what's the word I'm looking for? Comments. Why not you guys leave me some comments and maybe suggestions on what you would like me to cook? Also, please subscribe to our channel, Cooking with Mr. Capalbo, and you can find it under my MSC artwork / doodle-art. And this is how you make the breakfast in the morning. No, I'm not gonna sing because I'm not Italian. I don't sing. I know. Okay, I think I used enough cheese. Cheese.
It's time for break.
Huh?
Time for break. Wait.
Okay, we're going to hurry on this real quick because my wife cannot hold the phone because her problems. Not your problem, but my problem and her problem. As you can see, we put the cheese in. Okay, so I think I made too much.
Never too much cheese.
We'll add that. Now, we mix it up a little, and I take the camera from her. Here we go. Maybe we'll mix it up a little. Maybe. It's looking good, no?
Yeah.
I have to get you maybe something to stretch on, hold on your arm, so you don't have to hold it so much. Sounds good, maybe? So now, you see, I didn't add salt. You don't need salt because you got it all in the sharp cheddar cheese, like a charcuterie. Alright, I'll let that cook for a bit here. And now I'm going to show you this because I need to flip it over real quick and then I take the camera from you. Wow, it's hot. It's splattery hot. And I've got it too high. I bring it down. I think it's maybe cooked enough to where I can use the other spatula. And I don't want to destroy our pan. And for now, that's what we're going to do. Next time you see it, it'll all be mixed together and then we have the potatoes on the side. Okay, thank you for watching. Mr. Capalbo, Italian Cooking with Mr. Capalbo. This is part 2. We finished the breakfast on part 3. Okay, thank you and ciao.